Okay, I found this nice little single track. Except for, I don't think I'm supposed to be on it now that I think about it. So I just got turned around, heading back. So I seen a chair, which struck me. Oh, it is hunting season. It's state land. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. So, I'm heading back. But I'll tell you what, I could be out here all day riding these little single tracks. It's a blast. A little sketchy down there. Huh. I think I took the wrong turn. Whoops. Okay, made it that far. A little bit of clutch abuse. Alright, that was a little sketchy. Made it though. Trying not to take a wrong turn anymore. Let's see. Whew. That was a workout, man. Huh. See, they cut these logs out, so I was really thinking it was a trail, a single track, because why would you do that if you were just walking through here? You know what I mean? Yep, there's that chair I seen.